Hey everyone, it's your online assistant, and today I'm showing you how to quickly add a product to your Shopify store. First, on the left-hand side right here, click on Products, and then hit Add Product. You'll now see a blank product page where you can start filling in the details. Start with the title. Let's say you're selling this coffee mug. I don't know why you would be selling this, but it's just an example. Type something like Subscribe Custom Coffee Mug. This helps your customers understand what you're offering at a glance. Next, write a description. You'll see a button that allows you to generate a product description. Just type a few keywords about your product and let the AI do the work. Now, upload high-quality images that clearly show the product. Visuals are key. They can make or break the sale. Scroll down to select a product category that fits what you're selling. Then, set your price and don't forget to enter the cost per item, whether it's your manufacturing cost, dropshipping fee, or fulfillment expense. Shopify will automatically calculate your potential profit. There's also a checkbox to indicate whether your product is physical or digital. For something like a coffee mug, leave it checked. But if you're selling something digital, like a course, ebook, or gift card, uncheck it. If your product comes in different options, like sizes or colors, use the variant section. Just click Add Variant and enter the details for each version of your product. Finally, scroll down and edit your search engine listing. This part is very important for helping people find your product through SEO. Add a custom page title, a strong meta description, and make sure to include relevant keywords so your product can show up in Google search results. Once everything looks good, just hit Save. And that's it. Your product is now live on your Shopify store. Leave a like if you found this short video helpful and subscribe for more guides and tutorials. Oh, and feel free to watch this video next.